Today, I'm going to show you guys how to move captions separately on mobile phone. I did a previous video on how to move captions on desktop, and I see a lot of people are already complaining about the one for mobile phone. So how can you do this? So this is sample. You can see the text is below right there, and this one is up there. This one is below. I just arrange it different angle for you guys to see on the left or so, on top of my face and down here. Let's say, for example, I want to move this one. I can move it down here, and this is still going to be up there. This is going to be up there. I can still move this one to the side. Let's say up to the left side there, and the other one is going to be in the middle. You see, so you can move it the way you want. Let's say it's distracting what you're editing. So let's not waste too much time on this. Now let's start all over again. I'm going to return back and reverse back again. So I'm just going to cancel it from here. Now we're going to start afresh. So it's go to project, delete. Let's start from the start. So we're just going to go to a video that has audio. So I have videos of mine. Now I always don't forget to delete this part. That's the ending of it. Now you can see there's no audio here. Now go to caption. I'm going to turn back quickly. So you go to caption and you see this. So I'm using the pro version of CapCut. That doesn't affect you to be able to move your caption separately, pro or not. You'll be able to do this. So I'll say generate. I just give it some time for it to generate. So here we go. You can see all of them are at the bottom of this text of this video, right? The way it's supposed to be. So let's say you want to move them separately. So you click on one of them and click any of the text here, the caption. So once you click on caption, you can either click on the pen at the top right here, or you come to styles. This is style right here. You click on styles. Then you see this option that says apply to all main captions. So you click on that, you deselect that. Then once you scroll all around, you can be able to move this all around. So I'm going to click on it to move my caption to the bottom left for you guys to see actually it's working. So this one, I'm moving to the bottom right, like this. And this also, I can move it to the middle. I can do anything I want to do with this text. So I can move this to the top. And also this to the top. And I can leave this in the middle. I can move this to the bottom. So now let's see what we did here. So this is it. You can see all your text are independent. All your captions are independent. They're not on the same spot throughout. So it's so easy. I hope this did help you. If it did, let me know in the comment section. So let's say previously we were supposed to use the pen. Let me show you how the pen also works. It's the same thing. So you click on the pen right here and you see the options that says apply to all main captions. So if you click on this, if you find it like this, you have to just click on it to deselect. But if you click on it back again, anything you move will all move together. So let's try it and see. Let's say I want to move this to the bottom. So every other thing is now moving to the bottom. So if you return, you click the return button, it's back to the way you arranged it before. So that's basically it. If it did help you, let me know in the comment section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.